No, yeah, I want to keep that part.
Okay, yeah. So that is. Let's see what's going on. The part you okay, I see. I think I see what's going on. The part you want to keep is this. This was up here for okay. So okay. This is still his reference. This is still reference. Okay. Okay, that's how it is. I didn't change anything. That's how it is.
Yeah.
Okay. But you just told me to
Probably linked up to. Cause maybe I'm getting confused and I'm doing. Like I'm telling you to turn off something. Yeah. And it's probably linked up to what I want. Is it linked up to what I want?
No. Yeah. So these, the purple and blue here are still your vocals, and the red down here's the fiddle.
Yeah.
Okay. So you just want the trap drums to come on over there, like right here.
Yeah.
So like we'll play here.
Yeah,
that's correct.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay, yeah, that was just moving the drums over. You're telling me to do all this stuff with the vocals.
It's so confused because there's like so many.
Yeah. This is just like, man.
So let's not worry about that part on like the vocaling of that part, because right now I'm just focused on the beginning, his Zora's part,
and then
my part
after it.
like which is where it ends where we finished right now. That we just figured it out.
Yeah.
And then the rest we just do next session.
Okay.
For now it's just
Yeah.
beginning, middle, and then
cool.
After it.
Cool. Okay. Sweet. Hell yeah. We gotta figure it out. Well, even better is when the feature does the vocals, throw them back in with y'all session and get it how you want it, and then get all that set up before you have it come mixed, because that's kind of the main issue here, is that y'all did it to completely different timing, and the beat was like it was not on a grid, so it's like a little weird. But yeah, if your voice sends these vocals or whatever, boom, and you want to record on it.
Yo sé que te gusta cuando a ti te falto.